The aspect that I enjoy about the work is preaching the actual gospel. I feel much encouraged whenever I am involved in preaching the gospel, either myself preaching or translating someone. I enjoy that aspect. But of late, the Lord has placed a burden in my heart of teaching the gospel. And I seem to be enjoying that aspect very much. Although I do enjoy it with a sorrow in my heart, because most of the people that I regard as Bible teachers in the villages or in the communities, they seem to know little about the gospel and many other truths. So, with such a burden that these are the people that were supposed to know more than I do.